Hello 8th standard students. In this session we are going to study finding a square root by division method. So this is very important point in the point of view of our competitive exams. तो इस सेशन में कुछ एक्सप्लेनेशन में हिंदी में भी दूंगी. सो इससे क्या होगा, आपको समझने में थोड़ी सी आसानी होगी. Just I am going to give this explanation in English also and in Hindi also. Okay, just watch and listen it carefully. Finding square root by division method. Already we have by hearted the squares of 1 to 9. What is the square of 1? 1. Square of 2? 4. Square of 3? 9. Square of 4? 16. Square of 5? 25. Square of 6? 36. Square of 7? 49. Square of 8? 64. Square of 9? 81. And square of 10? 100. As like that, we have already studied and by hearted the squares of different numbers, and also we have studied how to find out the square root by different method. But this method is very easy and very important to find out the square root of any bigger number. Just there are some steps that we have to remind it while solving the problem, and there are some shortcuts that we have to use to solve these sums, because it will be easy and it will be take a less time to solve these examples. हमें कुछ बारीकियां यहाँ पे याद रखनी है जो स्क्वायर से रिलेटेड है, और वो हमें ये सम सॉल्व करते वक्त उसे इस्तेमाल करना होगा. तो जस्ट लुक एट हियर हाउ वी कैन सॉल्व दिस एग्जांपल्स. You can see this on this board there are two examples, and on this whiteboard there are two examples. So we are going to solve these four examples in this session, and all these examples are you can find in exercise. Okay, so what is the first example? 2304. Okay, this is a 4-digit number and the last digit number is 4. So you have to remind that which square number having unique place at 4. So square of 2 is 4, having unit place number 4, and square of 8 is 64, so having unit place number 4. That means it is very easy to understand. Whatever answer will come, its unit place will be of 2 or 8. It is easy. Now we have to find out which number will comes at tens place. Just I am going to say about the tens place because here is the 4-digit numbers. So answer will having 2-digit numbers. It is very easy to recognize. So now we will start to find out the square root by division method. Look at here, the first example is 2304. Already we have discussed that it is a 4-digit number. That means our answer will come whatever it is, 2-digit number. So the first step while solving these sums, we have to make a group of two numbers, but from our right hand side. So this is my first group. So we have to draw a sleeping line on that two numbers, and this is my second group. This is my first step. You get this? We have to make a group of two numbers, and we have to draw a line above that numbers from our right hand side. That means from the last digit. Now my first group is 23. Now we have to recall all the squares of 1 to 9. That whatever group of number that is coming, it is a perfect square or not. That we know that 23 is not a perfect square number. So now we will take a predecessor of that numbers. 22, it is not a perfect square. 21, no. 20, no. 19, it is also not a perfect square. 18, no. 17, no. 60, yes. It is a perfect square of 4. So now we will select that 4 number. Now look at here how we can write it. 4 4s are 60. And we are doing here subtraction, and now same number we have to do here add. You get this? हमें क्या करना है, जो हमारा पहला ग्रुप है उस नंबर को देखना है और हमें ये जानना है कि वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर नंबर है या नहीं। हमें पता है 23 परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर नहीं, तो हम इसके पिछले के नंबर लेंगे 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, ये सभी नंबर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर नहीं है। तो हम आते हैं किसमें 16 पे। तो 16 इज अ स्क्वायर ऑफ 4। सो हम ये 4 जो नंबर है वो सिलेक्ट करते हैं और हम लिखते हैं 4 4s are 16. Okay, and to find out the answer and to check out this answer, this side is very important. And you can hear, अगर हम स्क्वायर करते वक्त उसी नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो इस डिवीजन में उसी नंबर को हम ऐड भी करेंगे। सो हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे 4 + 4 which one is 8, और ये 8 हम एक साइड में लिखेंगे। आप अगर बोलेंगे ये 4 और 4 है तो इसके नीचे ही हमें 8 लिखना है। जी हाँ, technically it is right, but we have to find out the next number also which is at the unit place. So we will write this 8 number little bit side. Okay, 23 minus 16, what will come here? 7. It is right. Now we will take our second root, that is 0, 4. Okay, अब तो हमें ये पता है कि इसकी यूनिट प्लेस पे नंबर जो है वो 4 है, और 4 किसका स्क्वायर, अगर हम स्क्वायर अगर निकालते हैं तो किसके यूनिट प्लेस पर 4 आता है। तो स्क्वायर ऑफ 2 इज 4 एंड स्क्वायर ऑफ 8 इज 64। इन दोनों नंबर के यूनिट प्लेस पर 4 आता है। सो हम वी विल चूज 2 and 8 नंबर। ओके, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू अ रफ multiplication. Now see how we can do it. We will take, it is a rough word. Okay, हमारे यहाँ ये 8 है और already we have selected that unit place number will be 2 or 8 because the square of 2 and square of 8 having 4 at the unit place. Why it is 4? Because our number is consisting 4 at the unit place. So we will write here 2 multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. तो आप देख सकते हैं ये 704 है और ये 164 है, तो ये मैच नहीं होता। जी हाँ, तो 2 तो हम नहीं ले सकते। अब किसकी बारी है? हम 8 ले सकते हैं। तो मैं इस 2 को और इसमें आंसर को मैं रफ कर देती हूँ और यहाँ पे लिखती हूँ 8। So 8 8s are 64, carry 6, 8 8s are 64 and 6 70, and now you can see both numbers are same. So which one number will come at the unit place? That is 8. So we will write here 8 and here 8, and this number we will write at this side. So it will be 0. So यहाँ पे हमारे एक addition operation करना तो रहेगा. So we will do here plus, and which number we have introduced here newly? That is 8. So we will plus 8. And now what will come? 8 and 8 60, carry 1. So 8 1 plus it is 9. So what is the reason behind it finding out this 96? With the help of this 96 we can check out our answer. Just look at here 48. Now I will do here 48 into 2. Okay. So 2 8s are 16, carry 1. 2 4s are 8 and 1 is 9. So look at here this number and this number is same. So with the help of this checking application we can check out our answer, that is it is correct or not. Is it easy? It is little bit difficult. Don't worry, we are going to take 3 more questions. Okay, so I am going to rub this and now we will start to solve this one question. What is the next question? Is 4489. So what is the first step? We have to make a group from the last digit, and while making a group we have to make sure that it will be of group of 2 digits. So 89 and 44. So 44, it is not the square of any number. 43 no, 42 no, 41 no, 40 no, 39 nahi, 38 no, 37 no, 36 yes, it is a square of 6. So we will write there 6 6 are 36 and So what is the last digit number? Is 9. And where we get the 9 at the unit place? Just remind all the squares. Yes, it is 9. The square of 3 is 9 and square of 7 is 49. And these two squares consisting 8 at their unit place. So we will consider here 3 or 7. So which number we can use? We will do here rougher. Okay, now I am going to do here only. So my number is 12, whichever addition is coming here, and I have selected that I have to write here 3 or 7. So first of all we will write here 3 and multiply with that same number only. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So both numbers are different, so we cannot write there 3. So what is our second number that we have choose? That is 7. So we will write here 7 and multiply by 7. 7 7s are 49, carry 4, 7 2s are 40, 40 plus 4, 80, carry 1, 7 plus 7 and 1, 8. Yes, you can see these both numbers are same, so we can write here 7, here also 7 and minus 8, 89. And we have to write here plus 7. Okay, so now I will write this. Here comes 0 and 7, 7, 4, 3, carry 1, 2 and 1, 3 and 1. And you can check out yourself, that is the twice of 67 is 130. Okay, so as like that we can solve many examples where we have to find out the square root by division method. But one more thing is remaining here. What is? That we have to write a final answer. So how we can write down the final answer? Look at here. While writing a final answer, we have to draw here sign of square root, and in this we have to write is equal to 48. And here what we have to write is square root 4489 is equal to what is the square? It is 67. So as like that we have to write a final answer. Okay. Now our next question is 3481. Now look at here what we have to do here. We have to make groups. Is it right? Okay. Now I think you have you can remind all the steps. This is our first step. Now we will find out the perfect square number. 34 is not a perfect square number. 33, no. 32, no. 31, no. 30, no. 29, no. 28, no. 27, no. 26, no. 25, yes. 25 is a perfect square of 5. So we will write here 5. 5s are 25. So here we have to write plus 5. So what will come here? 9. And what will come here? 10. So next root is 81. Unit place number is 1 and the square of 1 and square of 9 having 1 at the unit place. So square of 1 is 1 and square of 9 is 81. So which number we will select? Now we will do here rough one. Our number, our addition is 10. So we have to find out 1 and 9. So we will write here 1 and multiply by 1. It is 101 and both numbers are not matched with each other. So we will drop this, and which other number that we have selected? That is 9. So multiply by 9. 9 9s are 81. 9 1s are 9. So you can see this, both numbers are same. So we will write here 9, 9 and 981, and we have to do here plus 9. So 180 will come here and the subtraction is 0. So we can write out the answer, that is square root of 3481 is 59. Is it easy? Yes, na? It is very easy. So next is 529. Now you will see that all these three examples having 4-digit numbers. Here is only 1 3-digit numbers. Okay, let's see what we have to do here. The first step is same, that we have to make a group of 2 digits from our right hand side from the last digit. So first correct number, that is 4. Yes, it is a square of 2. So we will write here 2 2s are 4. So we have to write here 1 and plus 2 is 4. 29. So 9, yes, square of 3 is 9 and square of 7 is 49. With both numbers, both square numbers having 9 at their unit place. It is right. So now we will do here rougher. Already our addition is 4. And which numbers that we have selected? Yes, 3 and 7. So we will write here 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Yes, it is correct. So we will directly write here 3 and minus 129 plus 3, that is 46, and here will come 0 0 0. And we can see this 23 2s are 46. That means our answer is correct. And already we have by the square of 1 to 30. That is square of 529 is 23. So as like that, you can solve many sounds in your whichever present in your exercise. So try to solve this with the help of this information, and if you have any query, you can ask me anytime. So don't waste your time and try to solve exercise 6.4.